Most homeowners don't realize that performance of the window unit depends not only on the window itself, but also on its installation. That's why we are proud to present Andersen Premier Contractor Award second time in a row. Only small number of contractors achieve this type of recognition. We are very excited and presenting it to you as well. Many homeowners choose Andersen windows for their strength. Andersen 100 Series Double Hung is the latest innovation by Andersen Window Company. Why? Well, because both sashes go up and down. Before, previous model, the top sash was fixed and you could open the lower sash only. In this case, we have both sashes that actually operate and go up and down. Andersen 100 Series units are made out of Fibrex. What's Fibrex? Well, it's wooden strand or wooden fibers, vinyl, and adhesive that creates special extrusion that's actually 10 times stronger than vinyl. It is paintable on the exterior, but also on the interior as well. Andersen 100 Series is well designed. Why? Few things. It functions as a conventional double hung unit, but the lift rail is located at the top of the sash. So when opening the window, all you gotta do is unlock it and then use the lift rail to lift the window up. Conventional sash lifts usually interfere with the blinds, and therefore this is nice and cleaner look. So traditional, but also modern. The insulation on these units is very well thought through, and it's exposed when you're tilting the sash. The compression jam is designed to interact with the sash rails. So when the window is installed, it actually creates nice and tight bond between the sash and its frame. Same goes for the lower sash. When tilting it, the compression jam is also at the top of the sash lift to make sure that the window interacts with the frame and creates nice and tight bond, so no draft can come in through the sash and the frame itself. The window itself has nice, smooth and clean lines to make it really modern and great looking. These units, since they're made out of Fibrex, are available in big sizes to complement your home and also style. The sill itself is designed in a slope feature in order for the water to drain away and keeps the installation dry. Fibrex units come in many colors and many choices. This unit is showing in black exterior with the full screen. The beveled edge that actually the screen is installed in, it's very narrow just to make it look more modern. If you're looking for a window that's gonna look great, perform well, and will have nice traditional but modern design, then Andersen 100 Series is a great choice. I'm looking forward to having these installed in your home.